Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech TSH ELISA kit. So this is the front and the top view of the ELISA kit. As you can see, this is the front and the top view of it. So yeah, you see this is the TSH ELISA kit. The reference number is TS227D. You can find the lot number here, the manufacturing and the expiry date. This is the 96 well plate test tube, and you can see this is temperature controlled between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the package contains this coated well plates, controls, standards, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, certificate of analysis for all the compounds, and you can see certified IVD product, and you can also see the manufacturing address here. It's the package content, you can find it here, and you can see this is temperature controlled. So this is the back view of it, and it is made in USA. You can find the details here. This is the other side view of it. So okay, let me unbox it for you. So on the top you can find the brochure of it, the IFU brochure for it. You can see here this is the Calbiotech thyroid stimulating hormone on TSH ELISA kit. You can find the catalog number here. You can see all these details here. Okay, let me get this at one side. So next is the certification of analysis. You can see the TSH kit with the lot and the catalog number, the expiry date for all the components. You can look at this here. So let me keep this at one side. And next, we have the coated well plates. This is also temperature controlled. You can find the reference number, the manufacturing, the expiry, and the pack size 96 well plate. You can look at here. So let me keep this here. And next we do have all these different reagents and all, so let me show you that. So first we have the TMB substrate buffer. So you can find the expiry, the reference, and the lot number for it, the volume of it, and everything. Then we have the stop solution. And then we have the TSH enzyme conjugate. And then we have the wash concentrate of 20 times. And over here, as we can see, we have the TSH standards. The standard 1, the standard 2, and you can see this is the TSH standard 3. This is the TSH standard 4. You can see this is the TSH standard 5, and this is the TSH standard 6. And you can see this is the TSH standard 7, And over here we can also see that there are two additional tubes of TSH control number 2, and I think this would be the TSH control number 1. Yeah, this is the TSH control number 1. So as you can see, so let me just sort this out. So this is the overall unboxing of the Calbiotech thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH ELISA kit. As you can see, there is one IFU brochure or the pack insert, the certificate of analysis, the 96 well plate coated 96 well coated well plates, and these various enzyme substrate, concentrate, buffer, stop solution and all. So this is the overall contents of the TSH ELISA kit. Thank you.